Hi, I'm Jackie Albanese from TRC. Welcome to our Heat Pump Boss series, Level Up Your Heat Pump Installs. We've got the tools, tips, and how-tos that will help make you an expert heat pump installer. Today we're going to focus on commissioning. Let's dive right in. Commissioning a heat pump system is a critical step to ensuring it operates efficiently and reliably. In this video, we'll walk through the big picture of the commissioning checklist, covering the essential items you'll need to verify during installation. It's important to note that this video won't teach you how to perform each of these tasks step by step. For a detailed walkthrough of the commissioning checklist, visit the Clean Heat Connect video series featuring Rob Aldrich from Stephen Winter Associates. Commissioning a heat pump involves several important steps to ensuring the system operates efficiently and reliably. Some of this process is simply spending the time to document what you did during installation. Checklists provide consistent quality outcomes, especially for those routine tasks that can sometimes start to slip from lack of attention to detail. Let's take a closer look at the key components of the commissioning checklist. Start with the outdoor unit's placement. Verify that it's not directly below the roof strip line, it's on a stand or a wall mount to get it above the region's annual snow depth, and that the unit is level and secure. Double check that it meets the manufacturer's clearance requirements and has an unobstructed airflow. Confirm that the condensate line is properly supported, pitched to flow to the outside or is assisted by a pump, and drains to an appropriate space. Also check the defrost drainage location and that the defrost strips won't cause a safety or functional issue if it refreezes after draining out. Next, review the line set specifications. Document the line lengths, vertical distances, and diameters of both the suction and liquid line. Confirm that the setup complies with manufacturer guidelines. Now, we're on to the actual commissioning tests. Document the pressure and vacuum test results used to confirm the refrigerant line is ready to be charged and can hold pressure when it is. Record the pressures used and measured, and the hold time for both. Then document if you used the factory charged refrigerant reserve and if you added more. Next, document the torque applied to the liquid and vapor lines and confirm that they meet manufacturer's torque specifications for that line thickness. Document that you used a refrigerant wand to sense leaks and that you fully protected each line with insulation and UV coating. Then test the operations and controls. Verify that both heating and cooling functions are working properly to ensure the system is ready for use. For ducted units, measure airflow and static pressure. Document those results, and confirm that the ducts are properly sealed. Basically, you're documenting step by step that the heat pump is ready to go. Consistent use of a commissioning process and checklist will lead to better performance, fewer callbacks, and better consistency across your install team. Clean Heat Connect's website, cleanheatconnect.ny.gov, hosts a downloadable air source heat pump commissioning checklist your company can use to ensure consistent, quality installations. They're also a great tool for training new staff and conducting internal quality control checks. By using a commissioning checklist, you can deliver consistent, high-quality installations that meet both technical standards and customer expectations. Last, for more information regarding the key elements of the commissioning checklist outlined, be sure to watch all the videos included in our Boss series. Thanks for diving in with us on commissioning. Remember, we're here for you at cleanheatconnect.ny.gov with more videos, resources, guides, and best practices. Hope to see you at our other sessions as we complete better installs together, one project at a time.